Hey everyone, welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm James. Today we're talking about food and dining vocabulary. Do you ever go to a restaurant and struggle to find the right words, Anna?
Oh, absolutely. There's nothing worse than wanting to order something specific but not knowing how to express it. That's why we're sharing 20 essential food and dining words today.
These words will help our listeners feel confident, whether they're dining out, cooking at home, or just chatting about food with friends. Ready to get started?
Let's start with our first word, menu. James, this is something we all see at restaurants.
That's right. A menu is the list of food and drinks you can order at a restaurant, along with their prices. When you sit down, the server usually hands you a menu so you can decide what looks good. Some places have digital menus now too.
Right. Speaking of choosing food, our second word is order. This is both what you choose and the action of choosing it.
Good point. When you order food, you tell the server what you want to eat or drink. Your order is also the specific food and drinks you've chosen. You can place an order or take someone's order.
Now, here's something that varies by culture. Our third word, tip. This can be confusing for travelers.
So true. A tip is extra money you give to your server to show appreciation for good service. In the United States, tipping is expected, and the standard is usually 15 to 20% of your total bill. But in some countries, tipping isn't customary at all.
Great point about cultural differences. Our fourth word describes taste, spicy. Do you handle spicy food well, James?
I'm getting better at it. Spicy food contains peppers, chilies, or strong spices that create a hot, burning sensation in your mouth. People have very different tolerance levels. What's mild for one person might be volcanic for another. Always ask about the heat level.
Wise advice. On the opposite end, our fifth word is sweet. Everyone loves something sweet sometimes.
Absolutely. Sweet foods taste like sugar, honey, or fruit and are often desserts or treats. Sweetness is one of the 5 basic tastes. I definitely have a sweet tooth. I always save room for dessert.
Ha! Me too. Now our sixth word is less pleasant, bitter. This taste can be challenging.
It really can be. Bitter foods have a sharp, often unpleasant taste that can make you pucker your mouth. Think black coffee, dark chocolate, or certain vegetables like broccoli. Some bitter flavors are acquired tastes. You might grow to love them over time.
That's so true about coffee. Our seventh word relates to dietary choices, vegetarian. This is increasingly common nowadays.
Definitely. Vegetarian food contains no meat, poultry, or fish, but may include dairy products and eggs. A vegetarian is someone who chooses not to eat meat for health, environmental, or ethical reasons. Most restaurants now clearly mark vegetarian options on their menus.
Perfect. Our eighth word is very convenient, takeout. This became even more popular recently.
Oh yes, especially during the pandemic. Takeout is food you order from a restaurant, but take with you to eat somewhere else, usually at home or work. It's so convenient when you want restaurant quality, but prefer eating at home. In British English, they say takeaway.
Good distinction. Our ninth word is essential for popular restaurants, reservation. Have you ever been turned away for not having one?
Unfortunately, yes. A reservation is when you call or book online to secure a table at a restaurant for a specific date and time. Popular restaurants often require them, especially on weekends. It's always better to call ahead than to be disappointed.
Great advice. Our 10th word is what you get at the end, bill or check. There's actually a regional difference here.
Right. This is the piece of paper showing what you ordered and how much you need to pay. In American English, it's usually called the check, while in British English, it's the bill. Either way, it's what tells you how much money you owe.
Exactly. Our 11th word is more sophisticated, cuisine. This helps categorize different styles of cooking.
I love exploring different cuisines. Cuisine refers to a specific style of cooking that's characteristic of a particular country, region, or culture. Italian cuisine has pasta and pizza. Thai cuisine features spicy curries. French cuisine is known for its sauces. Each has its own unique flavors and techniques.
Delicious examples. Our 12th word is about the person creating all this food. Chef. These are true artists.
They really are. A chef is a professional cook who not only prepares food, but often manages the entire kitchen, creates recipes, and supervises other kitchen staff. The head chef or executive chef is like the conductor of a culinary orchestra. Great chefs can turn simple ingredients into masterpieces.
Beautiful analogy. Our 13th word is about the people serving us, waiter or waitress, though the terminology is evolving.
Yes, many places now use server as a gender-neutral term. These are the people who take your order, bring your food and drinks, and help with any requests during your meal. Good servers make such a difference in your dining experience. They're knowledgeable, attentive, and friendly.
Absolutely. Our 14th word covers everything you drink. Beverage. This is more formal than just saying drink.
Right, a beverage is any liquid you drink: water, juice, soda, coffee, tea, wine, beer, or anything else. Restaurants often have separate beverage menus, and some beverages pair better with certain foods. Wine pairing is a whole art form.
True. Our 15th word starts the meal: appetizer. These are perfect for sharing.
I love appetizers. An appetizer is a small dish served at the beginning of a meal to stimulate your appetite before the main course. Think soup, salad, bread, cheese, or small finger foods. In British English, they call them starters. They're great for trying new flavors or sharing with friends.
And our 16th word ends the meal on a sweet note: dessert. Do you always order dessert?
I try to save room. Dessert is the sweet course served at the end of a meal: cake, ice cream, pie, or fruit. It's meant to provide a pleasant, sweet ending to your dining experience. Some restaurants have amazing dessert menus that are worth the extra calories.
I agree. Our 17th word is the heart of the meal: main course. This is usually what fills you up.
Exactly. The main course is the primary, most substantial dish of your meal, usually featuring meat, fish, or a vegetarian protein with sides like vegetables or rice. In American English, it's also called the entree. It's typically the most expensive item and what satisfies your hunger most.
Perfect. Our 18th word is about the tools we use: utensils. Different cultures use different ones.
So interesting. Utensils are the tools you use to eat: forks, knives, spoons, and chopsticks. Western dining typically uses fork and knife, while many Asian cultures use chopsticks. If you're not comfortable with certain utensils, it's perfectly fine to ask for alternatives.
Good point. Our 19th word describes quality: fresh. This makes such a difference in taste.
Absolutely. Fresh food is recently made, caught, or picked, and hasn't been sitting around for a long time. Fresh ingredients taste better and are more nutritious. When restaurants advertise fresh daily or farm fresh, they're highlighting this quality that really enhances the dining experience.
And our final word, number 20, is leftovers. A great way to get 2 meals for the price of 1.
I love leftovers. They're the food that remains uneaten after a meal. In restaurants, if portions are too large to finish, you can ask for a to-go box or doggy bag to take your leftovers home. It reduces waste and gives you another delicious meal tomorrow.
That was a lot of useful vocabulary, James. 20 food and dining words that will help anyone talk about restaurants and meals with confidence.
Yes, and now our listeners have all the words they need to order food, ask for the check, and chat about meals. I'm getting hungry just talking about all this.
Me too. And remember, the best way to learn these words is to use them. Next time you go out to eat, try using some of these terms.
Absolutely. Practice makes perfect. Try new foods, ask questions, and enjoy your meals.
Thanks for joining us for this food and dining vocabulary chat. We'll be back with more English soon.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Until next time, enjoy your meals and keep learning.